Hey everyone! Are you thinking about paying off your mortgage before retirement? It's a big decision that can impact your financial future in a major way. In today's lesson, we're going to explore the pros and the cons of paying off your mortgage early and how it can affect your retirement plans. So let's dive in. First, let's consider the main advantages of paying off your mortgage before you retire. First, reduce monthly expenses. One of the biggest benefits is the peace of mind that comes with eliminating that monthly mortgage payment, most people's biggest expense. In retirement, your income might be fixed, and removing that mortgage payment can free up a significant amount for other expenses or other leisure activities. Number two, increased financial security. Without having a monthly mortgage obligation, you're going to have fewer financial obligations every month, and that can be a huge relief that can provide you with a sense of security and reduce financial stress in retirement, especially if unexpected expenses arise. Number three, interest savings. Paying off your mortgage early means you'll save on interest payments over the life of the loan. And depending on your mortgage rate, that could translate to a substantial savings. Equity in ownership. Owning your home outright means you'll have complete equity in the property. And this can be really advantageous if you need to access funds down the line through home equity loans or if you decide to sell the property in the future. But there's also some major drawbacks that we need to consider of paying your home off. Opportunity cost is the biggest one. By using extra money to pay your mortgage off, you're going to miss out on other investment opportunities that could give higher returns than what your mortgage interest rate is. So it might be more beneficial to invest your money elsewhere instead of paying that loan off. Liquidity issues. If you're tying up a lot of money in your mortgage, in your home's equity, it can reduce your liquidity, and you want to make sure, especially in retirement, you have that emergency fund, cash available and accessible for unexpected expenses and financial needs. Tax deductions. In many cases, mortgage interest can be tax deductible, and if you pay that mortgage off early, you're going to lose the potential tax benefit. It might not be a big deal to everyone, but for some, it's something to consider for sure. Inflation and fixed payments. If you have a fixed mortgage rate that's relatively low, it might make sense to keep it because inflation erodes the buying power of money over time. So that fixed rate that you're paying with today's dollars could be less costly in the future if inflation goes up. So should you pay the loan off your mortgage before retirement? Well, you got to look at your particular situation and your personal goals to help guide your decision. So here's some questions to ask. What's your retirement income? Consider how your retirement income will cover your expenses, including housing. And if you're confident you'll have enough without paying a mortgage every month, then paying it off early could make sense. What are your other financial goals? Evaluate whether paying your mortgage off aligns with your other goals like saving for healthcare, travel, and other retirement activities that cost money. Do you have an emergency fund? As I mentioned, you want to make sure you have a robust emergency fund and other liquid assets before you commit to putting all that money into paying your mortgage off early. What's the interest rate on your loan? Compare your mortgage interest rate with potential returns from other investments like stocks and bonds. If your mortgage interest rate is high, then paying it off early might make sense. Remember though, everybody's financial situation is completely different and is very unique, so it's crucial that you assess your circumstances. Consult with a financial advisor or a mortgage advisor like myself to make the best decision for your retirement. I hope that this video helping you to weigh the pros and cons of paying off your mortgage before retirement has been helpful. If you have questions or you need personalized advice, drop a comment below or reach out directly. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial insights and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.